on
Yeah.
where they're flying to and from, in which direction. But they'll go, you know, up to 2 or 3 miles away. So just kind of give them a little bit of smoke. Now, they come in small hind. Comb sticks out a little bit. So what we can do anyway is look right in the center of this frame. Now look behind you guys. Look at all the bees flying right there. Bells, they look like they have like bottom, so you kind of rest it against the edge there. Look like little grubs, right below the honey, you'll see little bitty pieces of rice, or it develops from an egg and hatches into a check. She's looking for a place, and the bad thing is we're going to go in here and worker brood without a fertilizer. Good? Difference. You asked me earlier if I put that stuff. It has a bunch of drone brood in it.
Hello, baby. Careful with the on the bottom.
And there's no egg. So that's, yeah, those frames can be, you know, 8 consistency and moisture content. Bees to go up, so when you set it down, it's okay. I told you to set it down. That box initially, then this one.